Morning, guys. Pitin guy here. I'm sorry there. Just want to show you guys. I'm lifting my loft a little bit. So yeah, this part is gonna be the young birds are. Yeah, young birds of this year. Oh, you know this already. And yeah, those birds. These birds. I want to show you something in the stock loft, guys. About two pairs. A pair I got. Hen I got. So yeah. So here's the hen. Yes, Dean. I paired her up with this cock here. As you guys know, he was paired up with a grizzly. He didn't. I gave it away to someone because she didn't handle that treatment. But okay, I gave her away. And yeah, I paired her up with this thing. Oh, this is done. I bred her myself also. Great ended, and yeah, we'll see what they do for us this year. Yeah, and special too. Oh yeah, there's my other pair. It's also great, but I got that blue body. It's a cock. I got him from a friend of mine, and yeah, just wanna see what they do. There's also a new pair. Oh, there's nothing. Yeah, it's also a young bird. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I feed him quickly, and yeah, there's also other grain I give them for for the feathers and stuff. But it's called gars. I don't know what it's called in English. So yeah, guys, as you guys can see, I let young birds out quickly, and they are gone. Nothing in the sky. The pieces are gone. That's what I like. That's what I like to see. You want to see that in your birds, that your birds disappear for like 30 minutes or uh, a half an hour or maybe like 45 minutes. Like yesterday, what they were outside, they were outside for 45 minutes, and they were gone for 45 minutes. Sorry, guys, and they were flying an hour and 45 minutes. Yeah, and yeah, pictures are just great, man, great. Fitness level is high up there in the sky, and they are fit. This is the breeders. That one I'm about to give away to a friend today. This one there, that blue bokok. And yeah. Oh, and yeah, guys. This is one of my old old reds. That's one of my old reds. He's a big bird. He's a 2013 bird, and yeah, that's how he looks. He's paired up to that end now. Just want to see if he's gonna give me some eggs this year, but like yeah, I doubt that. So yeah, I'm gonna use him as a feeder. And who's this? Who's this? Come! Look at that, guys. Oh, yeah, take care of your babies. Take care of your babies. I like this. It's really, guys. Come. So I gave them a little feed, guys. He's the old guy. I'm gonna make um I'm gonna make a video on my reeds, the family of reeds I got. This is the grandfather. So yeah, it's an old bird that almost 13 years old. Almost 13 years old. Damn. Still gone, guys. Still gone. The birds are still gone. Nothing. Nothing. Gone. But yeah, they are in the sky, so I'm gonna prepare the food so long. As you guys can see, clean loft. Always. That's very important for me. And yeah, it's very important for me. Clean loft. and healthy birds. Here we go. Here we go. Now we wait. We wait for them. Here they are, guys. Where they are now. They just arrived. Damn birds. There they go. Let's see if they come in the next 15 to something minutes. Whoop, 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 whoop. There we go, there we go, there we go. Whoop. Go on, go, 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 go. Nice, nice birds, man. Feeding time. Nice, man. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.